Today's workshop is about the importance of peer review and how to boost citations. It's very helpful and I got a lot of information from Dr. Michael. It's very informative, so I know how to do respond with my reviewers. So actually, when I submitted my articles and I received the acceptance letter for the articles, so usually I got the major revision or sometimes minor revisions. So Dr. Michael explained more about how to handle and how to comment with the reviewers' comment. The bigger challenge, I think the biggest challenge is about the language, English language, because we usually use our local bahasa, so we really hard to write in English. So maybe Enago can help us to proofread our writing. So another point is about how to make a sentence more logical and structured. So sometimes we already mention about everything, the theory and the methods in our articles, but we cannot put nicely in order the paragraph. So maybe the Enago can help us how to make the comments about the logical or structure writing and then English proofreading, and also sometimes after we write it our article and then we don't know where should we submit our article to the publisher. So we need another services about how to find the publishers or journals that fit with our theme or topics.